Temple Naivedyams and Prasadams. There is something about them. So delicious. Such simple recipes, but they are so flavorful. Today I'm going to share one such delicious recipe made using sesame seeds. It's called the Ellu Sadam. It is very popular in South India and offered as prasad in temples also. Today I'm going to share this delicious recipe which you can make during the festive season of Navratri. Hi everyone, welcome to Master Chef Mom. So for Ellu Sadam, first step is getting the rice in the right texture. So I have boiled 1 cup of rice with 2 cups of water. This is Sona Masuri rice. Then take the rice in a wide bowl, add around 1 to 2 teaspoons of sesame oil and mix it well and keep. If you want, you can even add salt, mix and keep. See how the rice is so fluffy? This is very important. Now heat a pan, add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Next, once the oil heats up, you add your urad dal, chana dal, fry till it becomes light brown in color. You are frying it over low flame. Now add dry red chilies. The type of chilies I am using, it's very spicy. So even 1.5 chilies is enough to get the rice spicy. You adjust spice levels according to the type of chilies you are using. You can use Guntur chilies or any other chilies you are used to using. Now we are going to fry till it's nice and brown. So it's well fried. Now I have switched off the gas and I am adding coconut. Grated coconut, fresh coconut. If you want, you can use desiccated coconut also, but fresh coconut gives great taste. Again, coconut is an optional ingredient. You can make this rice even without coconut. So in the heat itself, I am frying the coconut. Now I am going to grind this mixture. I am using the small jar of the mixie to grind this podi. See, I have ground it. It looks like this. Now I place the pan back on low flame and I am going to dry roast sesame seeds. So this is black sesame seeds. Fry it over low flame. It has started to splutter. So till they splutter, you keep frying. So they have started spluttering well. I will switch off the gas. And transfer it to the jar of the mixie and we are going to powder this. So our sesame powder is now ready. See how it looks. Do not add oil while you are roasting the sesame seeds. It will look like this. Now to the rice we are going to add the tempering. So I have heated a pan. Add sesame oil and to the oil I am adding mustard seeds, chana dal, urad dal, Once it starts to brown, I'll add the next. Till that time, I'm adding salt to the rice. The chana dal and urad dal have browned, so I'm adding cashew nuts. Mix it well. You can also add peanuts. I hope you can see. I'm doing it simultaneously. I'm adding some curry leaves. That's it, I've switched off the gas. Okay, now to the rice, we are going to add all the ground masalas. First, sesame seeds powder. Grind the sesame seeds separately always. That gives a different flavor and is very good also. Plus it grinds well. Next I am adding the other masala powder. Now pour the hot tempering on top of this podi. See how beautiful it looks. Gorgeous. Smells amazing. Just mix it well now. The sesame seeds and sesame oil gives such a great flavor to this rice and taste. It was so easy to make. So good for health too. So mix the rice well. You can always add another teaspoon of hot sesame oil if you like. But this is just perfect for the quantity of rice and the chilies that I have added. Like I said, you can always add peanuts along with cashew nuts. Looks beautiful. So the eldu sadam is now ready to be served or offered as naivedyam.
Heavenly, Uma. Just reminds me of my visits to temple, childhood, where they would give this in the evening time. They would give this eldu sadam, sesame rice as prasadam. Amazing. Oh, it's brilliant, especially that spices and coconut, cashew nut, peanut. Oh, amazing. It's a great meal. Brilliant. Simply very good.
Thanks, Raghu. So do try out this recipe and share your feedback with me.
In fact, I have a suggestion. You should tell everyone that, that this is, well, I'll tell everyone. See, this is, winter is approaching and sesame is very good in winter. You must try sesame rice. It will keep you warm and sesame is filled with goodness, so it's brilliant. Please try it. Simply amazing.